Hello, Keith Rucker here at VintageMachinery.org. Guys, excited about the opportunity to share with you guys an upcoming event that I'm planning on going to. Like I have said many times before, as I travel around to some of these different YouTube type events around the country, I like to let people know where I'm going to be, when I'm going to be there, particularly if it's something that's open to the public or an event that people can come to. Such is the case here. This is a new event that I've never been to. In fact, this is a new event in that it's the first time they've ever had this event, so it's a brand new event. I was invited to come up to this, and I think it's going to be a lot of fun. So August 8th through 10th in East Durham, New York at the Blackthorn Resort, they're going to be having the Field of Tools. This is kind of sponsored by the Maker Camp group up there. I know Jimmy DeRest has been involved with Maker Camp over the years, as well as some of the other big YouTube guys. But this is going to be kind of an event that they have up there in August. And I guess really the big draw is going to be a really big swap meet for all kinds of tools. It's going to be machinist tools, woodworking tools, blacksmithing, construction, metalwork, leatherwork, and much, much more. In addition, there are going to be some demonstrations and opportunities. Some of the highlights that they've got on their website is refurbish your rusty tools at the Evaporust Dunk Station. So if you got something you want to clean up with Evaporust, they're going to have a big tank there that you can dump stuff in and let it clean up. Pick a hand tool and learn how to restore it at the restoration station. So they're going to have a restoration area there. Tool and machinery swap meet. That's the big thing that's going to be going on. Rare tool and machinery display, so people can be bringing in some stuff to show off. Friday night, free hot dogs and hamburgers. And on Saturday night, they're having a Maker Camp pool party. This is all, again, going to be held at the Blackthorn Resort in East Durham, New York. So not very far south of the Albany, New York area. I'm really looking forward to this. I was invited to come over. I know that Jimmy DeRest is coming to this. I know that Eric over at Hand Tool Rescue is coming to this. I know Andrew Alexander, who's Blacksmith Tools out in Texas, is coming to it. And I'm sure that there are many other YouTubers that's going to be at this event. That's just some of the ones that I have heard of so far. Chris Cash is kind of the guy that's kind of putting this whole thing together. Some of you guys may know Chris as well. He's at Mount Phillips Metalworks, and he does all kinds of restorations on different tools and vices and things like that. So anyway, looking forward to coming up there. Again, the dates for it is August 8th through 10th. I am planning on bringing up a bunch of tools and stuff to sell myself. So I'm going to have a table there with some of my stuff that we'll be putting out to sell. So, and as always, I'll be looking forward to finding some new treasures probably to bring home with me because it's just in my DNA. I can't get it out. If you'd like to come, I'm going to put a link in the description of this video to the website where you can go find more information and get registered. The registrations, I think I looked briefly a while ago. I don't remember exactly how they had it, but I think you could do like a full weekend pass, a one-day pass. If you want to be a vendor, depending on the size of your area that you're going to have, there's different fees for it. It's all pretty reasonably priced. And anyway, good opportunity to be able to come out and meet myself as well as some other YouTubers and other people in the restoration community. And a good opportunity to come out and find some tools. Hey, can't go wrong there. So anyway, just wanted to kind of put that out there, let folks know that I am planning on attending, give you guys an invite to come on out. And I do sincerely hope to be able to meet some of you guys, shake your hands as I do at so many of these events, and looking forward to the opportunity to come to the Field of Tools, the first, hopefully annual Field of Tools at the Blackthorn Resort, East Durham, New York, August 8th through 10th. And then again, I know these videos live forever. This is 2025 when I'm filming this. So anyway, check it out. Like I said, description, or there's a link to this for more information down in the description below. Hope to see you at Field of Tools. And with that, we're going to get out of here. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Those thumbs up and comments, always great. Help out a lot. Big, huge thank you to those who support the site financially through Patreon, PayPal, etc. Really does help out there a lot as well. And with that, I'm going to sign off. We'll get out of here. We'll catch you on the next video. Hope to see you at Field of Tools. And thanks again for watching.